Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
curry chicken foot and white rice, you know, the things that are the family.
We haven't had this in a while.
Yeah.
5 months to be exact.
A long time.
A long time, guys.
This look spectacular.
Thank you. Guys, I'm not going to do an outfit of the day today, but we are going to show you some clips of our spectacular, I'm using your word.
Spectacular. Tell them first.
Thanksgiving feast.
Yes.
Guys, before we go any further and we dig in, I do want to give B Love's sister a moment of silence. Her name is Jada Young Mills. She was 27. She had 3 kids and she was murdered over some hair. And I have a little things to say about that, but I just want to give her a moment of silence first. Thank you guys, and
thank you.
We're going to dig in, and like I said, I have just a few things to talk about it. You can eat, my love. I don't want to talk too much about it because B Love did address everything on her channel, and if you want to see exactly what happened, she does have a news article that talks about it, and she also spoke about it as well. I usually don't talk about sad things like this on our channel, and the only reason why is because you guys hear it so much. You hear it on YouTube, you hear it in the news, you hear it in your day-to-day life, and so I want it to be where this channel is about just having fun. My husband picking on me, I picking on him, and you know, you guys just having fun and being a part of the family. But this one really touched me because it was really a senseless murder. And ooh, this pepper.
Full of pepper.
It was really a senseless murder, and she had her whole life ahead of her. She, according to what I was reading, she was, and I'm hearing she was like getting ready to really take off in her business and stuff like that. Whew. That is good, but it's pepper.
No piece of napkin there, please.
Sure.
Pepper night, man. Oh, the snap, I didn't even show them.
Oh?
Hold on. Pick up some good one.
Oh, you do a thumbnail?
Yeah.
Okay.
I love the thumbnail you have. Look, chicken foot, say hi to the family. There we go. Curry, I'm gonna zoom in. Yeah, there we go, first lady. There we go. See, ooh, always dropping.
Falling off the bone.
Look at this now, look. That's how chicken foot supposed to be.
Nice and soft. So she had her whole life ahead of her, and you know, she was getting ready to do, you know, big things. She was revamping her YouTube channel. She was doing really big stuff. And one thing I have to say about B Love is, when I started, I never told you guys this, but when I first started YouTube on my own without Richie, B Love was the first major YouTuber that subscribed to my channel. And even after we changed the name, and then my husband came along on the channel, she still stayed subscribed to us. Now, that doesn't mean that she watches every single video, that's not what I'm saying, but the fact that she's still subscribed to us, so she gets notification when we post a video, and she probably still watches it. I really appreciated that, you know? So she does stuff like that. But it's really, really sad. And when she was telling the story about her sister, I just couldn't help but to cry because it's just very sad. It's one thing to lose someone to death because of illness, you know, but to lose them in such a tragic way is,
That's true.
it just is heart-wrenching.
That's true.
Heart-wrenching. So once again, our condolences goes out to the family, and may she rest in peace.
That's true.
Guys,
Yeah.
I put pepper on it.
Try me.
It tastes good.
I mean, first they never want to give me the night chicken. Calm it down. Have you ever tried chicken foot? Yes, it's chicken foot. Yep, the foot of the chicken.
It's the best part.
It's so good. Worse when this curry do a man.
Listen, you know what I hate about pepper? Like Scotch bonnet pepper. The ones them that don't smell like they're hot be the hot ones.
Yeah.
And the ones them that smell hot don't have no flavor, no like spice.
Yeah.
This pepper didn't have no smell. They're hot, man.
Yeah, I know y'all was creep up, man. Oh yeah, first they did my hair.
You guys like it?
They like it. Just hook me up, you know. I feel like somebody now. How was your Thanksgiving, first day?
It was good. You pissed me off a couple of times, but it was good.
Family, first day pissed me off, you know. Trust me.
Listen,
Yeah, yeah. Pissed off. Everybody have one of those times. No, no. She pissed me off. I pissed her off. So as I said, ain't nobody perfect.
nobody's perfect.
Yep. So
It's how you come out of it that matters.
right. So we good now, you know. We good, first lady.
We good.
Make sure you're good enough.
You made sure I was good.
Yeah, I made sure first lady good family.
Oh, that's what is good.
You want more water? See the next one, then we'll open it. That's your water.
Yeah, beer water for this one.
So how was everybody's Thanksgiving other than that?
We had some leftover Thanksgiving food. Okay, family, let me tell you something. Before we go any further, check out our Thanksgiving spread.
Yeah. We are back. I know you like that Thanksgiving spread because I love it. Thank you. I know you did.
Okay. So you guys seen how much food we had? I kid you no lie. I had to fight to get some food.
Seriously.
To save. There was no food left.
All that was gone.
Every bit of it was gone. We had a little bit of leftovers, and we was gonna do a leftover mukbang, and those kids got to it. So that's that.
Yep. We had a ball.
We had a great time.
It was fun.
The best thing about family coming over is the stories.
Yeah, the story. Them. The story. Oh, we have some good story. Y'all families like that too? You always tell them stories?
Some good stories, man.
The old days. I learned a lot too. Wow. Sometimes I say, wow.
Because in Jamaica, people have nicknames, and you're thinking that's their real name, and that is not their real name. You don't even know how they come about that name. For years, you're calling them that name. And come to find out, it's a nickname.
That's crazy, right?
What's I should do that there?
Y'all chicken for you good as hell.
It's good.
Don't you got a video on it too?
Oh yeah, I have a video on how I made the chicken foot. You can check it out. I'll link it up here somewhere, okay?
I sure do. Finally.
Ooh, it's pepper.
It is pepper. First lady, you know what I want to do again?
Well,
I want to do some more dishes. I want the people
someone cooking?
No, some more dishes. Make them tell us what to make again.
Come on.
Yeah. This is good as hell. You didn't even touch your side yet. My goodness. Pepper night, you know?
Yes, peppers. Pepper ain't joking.
You didn't want to give me none, that's why.
Pepper was sneaky.
Pepper creep up.
When you eat a chicken foot and you just bite it, it just slides right off like butter.
Yeah. Did anybody know Black Friday shopping? I know COVID, but what we did first, what you did?
Just city furniture.
Oh, you know, this right now they changed.
What?
Shut up.
I got 3 bar stools. But
What time were they doing on the come up now?
yeah, now they changed everything. Before it was they gave you $100 for city furniture and $100 for Ashley furniture. Now they only gave $100 for Ashley and city furniture, so they combined the $100. So I don't know why they start doing that, but
Yeah, cheap.
their stuff is already expensive. So what's $100 off? So I don't know why they're so stingy with $100.
They think they slick. You make that $100 work. You don't pay no extra, huh?
No extra. Well, I paid $1.11 this time.
Okay.
For the 3 bar stools, I paid $1.11.
Yep. First lady, you know how to do that crap.
The bar stools was $80, and then I had $20 left. And then because they have 35% off of all of the accessories, Tamia and I walked around the store until we found an accessory that was like $30.
Yeah, sure, spend that.
Yes, because the accessories are expensive in city furniture. Okay, they could be like, it could be something like this water bottle, and they want $125.
Yep.
So
See, them teeth.
and Ashley furniture.
And their brothers and sisters. Oh! I almost forgot. Word of wisdom. Pastor Rich in the building right now.
Man, the juice is all in the chicken foot.
Got something for the ladies again.
For the ladies.
Okay. Alright. Ladies, this is for y'all again. A woman who realized her worth is a dangerous woman.
You're damn right.
But no, say that say something.
Yeah, you know, say that say something.
That's what you move.
You know, say that say
I'm doing it for you. Yeah, that's what I do it for. Chatty Shanisa, you did it for it.
That's right.
And I know
you
you gonna
better.
say something for.
Yeah.
Family, I did that one for her because I knew she gonna say something.
Piss me off,
She
family.
pissed me off.
No, you piss me off. You're lucky.
Yeah. You chat too much because I know so you're not gonna say something. That's why I said yes, man. Come on.
Yeah, that's right.
Family, I picked that one for her because I knew she was gonna say something. Yep, I know her. See? I really know her. I'd say, watch me and her. I'll tickle her toes today, right now.
Tickle
Yeah,
my toes.
tickle your toes. I knew before I even finish it, she's damn right. I knew that was coming. But yeah.
Dangerous.
Yep. Word of wisdom. One thing with chicken foot?
Sticky.
Sticky. And you gotta know how to cook it. Chicken foot, you can't just throw in a pot like that and then it's done. It takes a while. Cause it's tough.
As small as the meat is, it takes a while.
Yeah. I don't think y'all could just stow it and
Some people pressure it, honey.
yeah. I don't like pressure nothing. So I can cook down. Yeah, we don't pressure it. First you just cook it down. And it's nice. But check out that video. If y'all want to try it or you want to see how it's made, check it out. And for the new subscribers and the family member, I'm stop saying subscribers, family member. Go check out them old videos.
They're good. We're funny.
Go check it out. I ain't funny. You funny. You chat too much. That's your problem. Go check them out. You know what I'm saying? And check out some of those recipes too.
I'm
The
full.
recipe videos.
Come on.
They there. Yeah.
Yeah. And for all the new family members who are recommending that we eat certain stuff, we're more than happy to eat certain things. But also remember, guys, we have other videos. We have over 150 videos. So check out the videos because a lot of the things that you're requesting, we've already eaten. I mean, we don't mind eating it again now.
We don't mind. You know what I'm saying?
But it's there.
It's there.
Wow.
We keep checking out P.O Box. I want to see one of y'all in here. Let's take chicken for they say don't want it. This is good, but that pepper is hitting, girl.
My pepper hot.
Damn it.
And one thing I know, I love curry when it's spicy.
Oh,
Full.
family, did everybody put up their Christmas tree yet or not yet? Are you buying a real tree or a what, fake tree? Comment down, let us know. Cause I was up, been up for a week now.
You guys want to see my Christmas tree? My Christmas tree. You guys want to see our Christmas tree?
Let us know. It's popping.
Should we show them now, honey?
Yeah. Show them.
I hope you guys like the Christmas tree. Now the topper, I made it myself. I got it from the TikTok.
First thing you made for myself.
TikTok be giving you some creative stuff. Okay?
Wow, that was big.
That was really good.
That was spectacular. Don't forget
Pepper.
to like, we shared, comment, subscribe, and if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. And they are First Lady.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang.
Bye.